Would you give me a red rag from?
Yeah.
This literally looks like it.
Yeah. No, this actually has to come off right here. You can do that one first.